So, still in the old air raid shelter, look. Anyway, this has come up. Now that is, a bit of it just broke off a minute ago. Where's that gone? There it is. It's not metal. It's like, I don't know, plastic or something. But, yeah. Sort of wondering, like, should I move this? I don't know what's under it. Is it going to blow up on me? Ah, for God's sake. So it is metal. It's an old bloody paint pot top, innit? It's an old paint pot top. Ah, bugger it. Nope, that's it. Nothing more. Thing is, I get too close to the edges, and you know, look, this picks up all the iron and that in the walls, air raid shelter and all that. Ah, bugger it. Nope. No bullets in here. It's been fun though. Happy days. Okay, that's my exploring over with in the air raid shelter. Back to the woods.